Welcome back to my tutorial. This is Tarek. Today I am talking about how to create a pivot table in Excel sheet. For this, I already taken a database about the sales agent division month sales. Here I take individuals, 10 people's division and which months they will sales. For this, creating the pivot table, I select random rows, then insert, then pivot table, and I go to new worksheet. For this, create OK, and it will go and a new worksheet. For this, I easily create a pivot table. And here is all the columns name that I take in my database. For this, if I want a sales agent, I select it and drag it in filter, then it will come here. And then suppose division, I take it in rows, and it will show rows. Then month, it I take it column, then column, and sales, then it I take it the rows. Eight. So here is the pivot table, and here I which I can, how I can calculate it, but how I can filter it. If I want sales agent, then I select all, and which I only show AB sales, then click OK. Which month, then I select month only. Suppose I want February, then click OK. Here is previous. uh, Suppose I select Chittagong, then click OK. Suppose and otherwise, I click all, so all data will come here, and all. So yeah, this is the simple way to calculate creating a pivot table in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.